Dear students, today we will learn about LCM. What is LCM? The full form of LCM is least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. LCM stands for least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Now, what is the meaning of multiple? You know, suppose the numbers I am taking 3 and 5, then multiples of 3 are, we get 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, in this way, so many. And multiples of 5 we get 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, in this way. So, if we try to find the common multiples between 3 and 5, first we get 15 as a common multiple. There you can get so many common multiples. If we go through the table of 3, up to here we have taken 18, then 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30, 3 11 is 33, in this way. So, again we get a common multiple 30 and 30 from here. So, we are getting common multiple as 15, 30 and so on. Now, we will choose the least of among these common multiple. Which one is least? This 15 will be the least one. So, this is the LCM, least common multiple of 3 and 5, equal to 15. So, by definition wise we get the LCM of 15, but there are some short trick to find the LCM. We will discuss this. First one is LCM by prime factorization method. In this method, we will first prime factorize the number given and then find the LCM. Let us take an example. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 16, 32 and 48. What will be the LCM of these three numbers? So, first we will find the prime factorization. We will do the prime factorization of each of the number given. Here is 16. So, let us factorize it. Take 2 as a prime number which can divide 16 and get 8. Again, if we divide it by 2, we get 4. 4 divisible by 2, we get 2. 2 is a prime number, so stop here. Again, 32 is divisible by 2. 2 16 is 32. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 is a prime number, so stop here. For 48, we can take again 2. 2 24 is 48. 2 12 is 24. Again 2 can divide 12. 2 6 is 12. Again 2 can divide 6. 2 3 is 6. Okay. Now write down each of the number as a prime factorize. First 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 32 this equal to 5 2s are there, only 5 2, and for 48 4 2 and 1 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 1 3. Now we can find the LCM of these numbers. LCM of this number. How? We will choose common or uncommon, but maximum number in factors. Check how many 2s are there. 1 2 3 4 2 are there. In 32 1 2 3 4 5 2, and in 48 1 2 3 4 2. So we will choose the maximum number of 2 factors 5, 1 2 3 4 5 2, and here is another factor 3 which is uncommon. We will surely take it. There is no other factor than 2 and 3. So this complete. Now we have to multiply it. 1 2 3 4 5 2 and 1 3. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 3 ja 96. So we get the LCM of 16, 32 and 48 as 96. Now let us find the LCM of another 3 number. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 36, 81 and 96 in the same prime factorization method. Let us apply this. First we will factorize each of the number. We can divide 36 by 2, 18, 2 can divide 18, 9, 3 can divide 9, 3. So 2 2 3 3 are the factors for prime factors for 36. Now 81, 3 can divide 81, 27, 3 can divide 27, 9, 3 can divide 9, 3. 3 is a prime number. For 96, 2 can divide 96, 2, 48 is 96. Again 2 can divide 48, we get 24. 2 can divide 24, 12. Again 2 can divide 12, 6. Again 2 can divide 6, 3. 3 is a prime number. Now let us write each of the number as a prime factors, product of their prime factors. First 36 is written, product of 2 2 3 3. Next 81, 81 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Next is 96, 96 equal to product of these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 2, sorry 3 4 5 and 1 3. Now check what are the prime factors here. Only 2 and 3 are the prime factors among these 36, 81 and 96 prime factors. Now we have to write the LCM of 36, 81 and 96. First we will go for the prime factors 2. How many 2's are there? Only 2 2's are there. In 81 no 2, but in 96 have 5 2. We will take maximum number of 2. 5 2 we have to take. And now coming for 3. How many 3 are there? In 36 2 3. In 81 4 3, and in 96 only 1 3. We will go for maximum number of 3. So we have to take 4 3. Now we should multiply. Let us multiply. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. If we multiply 32 and 81, we get 2592, 2592. So, this becomes the LCM of these three numbers. So, this is the process to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now, we are going to the next method, which is LCM by division method. What is this method? Suppose we have to find the LCM of 45, 81 and 135. We have to find the LCM of these three numbers by division method. So, in this division method, we will take all these numbers together and try to find a number, prime number, which can divide all of this 45, 81 and 135. We get 3 which can divide all of this. 3 15 ja 45, 3 27 81, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 45. Again 3 can divide each of the number. 3 5 ja 15, 3 9 ja 27, 3 15 ja 45. Now, there is no number which can divide all these 3, but 2 number can be divisible with a single number. Such is 5 and 15 is divisible by 5. Let us take 5, 5 1 ja 5, but 9 remains same, 9, and 5 3 ja 15. Now, here see that 9 and 3 can be divisible by 3. So, we will take 3 again. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, and finally you get 1 3 and 1. Here is 3. You can proceed for one more step. Take 3 here, make all the numbers 1 1 1 and stop. Now, we will write the LCM of these 3 numbers. How? Here LCM of 45, 81 and 135 become product of all these factors, product of all these numbers, 3 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 3. If we multiply, we are getting 3 3 is 9, here 3 3 is 9, 9 9 81 into 5. So, 81 into 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40, 405. So, LCM of 45, 81 and 135 become 405. So, this is the method of division method. This is the method to find the LCM by division method. Let us take another example to find the LCM in same method, division method. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 20, 24, 35, 45 and 60. 5 numbers are there. We have to find their LCM. So, take all these numbers together, 20, 24, 35, 45 and 60. Now, try to find a number which can divide all of this. But here is 20, 24, 35, 45, 60 is not all divisible by a single number, but we can go for the maximum number of numbers which can be divided by a single number. That is, if we choose 20, 35, 45, 60, all of these are divisible by 5. 5 4 is 20, 24 remains, 5 7 ja 35, 5 9 ja 45 and 5 12 ja 16, 60. Now we can go for 2 can divide for 2, 12, 7 remains 7, 9 is not divisible, 9 remains 9, 2 6 ja 12. Okay. Again 12, 9 and 6 is divisible by 3, we can take 3, 2 remains 2, 3 4 ja 12, 3 7 remains 7, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. Again 2 4 and 2, these are divisible by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 7 remains 7, 3 2 1 ja 3. Now here is 2 7 3, if we take 2 1 1 7 3 1, if we take now 3 1 1 7 1 1, if we take now 7 1 1 1 1 1. So here we have to stop this, complete the process. Now we will write the LCM of these numbers 20, 24, 35, 45 and 60 equal to product of all these numbers, that is 5 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 5 2 ja 10, okay, 3 2 ja 5 2 ja 10 into 3 2 ja 6 2 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 and 7. If we multiply, then 10 into 36 into 7, 7 6 ja 42, 4 7 3 ja 21 plus 4 25, 252 into 10, so 2520, 2520. This become the answer as LCM of these numbers. So this is the method to find the LCM by division method. So this was the today's topic. We have learned about LCM, how to find the LCM. Two processes are there, prime factorization method and division method. This completes the topic. Next class I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.